What should I do? You guys have to help me decide.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
There it is in all its glory. This is a jet ski trailer that I have had forever. It's been sitting in the backyard for the better part of like 5 to 10 years. Hasn't been touched. Of course, it's going to need a lot of work. You can see the paint's peeling off and all that. But here's my question: what do I do with this thing? Should I make this into a tool trailer to where I can do small projects, maybe load some little bit of lumber on it and have tools on it, that kind of thing? I'm trying to come up with an idea of what to do with this trailer. It's currently just taking up space in the backyard, and I would love to get it out of my backyard and have some kind of use. So do me a favor, go ahead and scroll down to the comment section down there and drop me a line what you think I should do with this. And at the end of this, I'll review the comments, and then I'll make a decision on what I'm going to do with this, and I'll take everyone through the process of me restoring and doing whatever I'm going to do. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Have a good day.